Hello everyone, welcome to CodeNug. Today I will show you how to start a new C++ project in Visual Studio 2K22. First, open Visual Studio on your computer. Click on Create a new project. In the search bar, type C++ and click on Next button. Now type the project name and choose the location on your computer where you want to save the project. In here, I don't change any details and press the Create button. Once your project is created, look at the right-hand side of the screen for the Solution Explorer. Then find the source file, fold and right-click on it and select the Add a New Item. A dialog box will appear. Select the C++ file from the list of the file type and click on Add button. Now you are all set. Now you can begin writing your C++ code here. First, look at the question. The question is, create a C++ program calculates based on distance and time. The program should prompt the user to enter the distance traveled and time taken. Then calculate speed using formula speed equals distance divided by time. You can see the requirements here and output like this. So let's begin coding our speed calculator program. Hashtag include IO stream. Next line, using namespace std semicolon int main closing brackets curly brackets return 0 semicolon. Okay, this is the main syntax for the code we're writing. Let's break up this code to understand it better. Hashtag include IO stream is the header library. It allows work to input and output objects such as cout and cin. Using namespace std means that we can use names for objects and variables from the standard library. Don't worry if you don't understand how about two lines works. Just think about it. Something always appear in your program. Another thing that always appear in C++ program is int main within brackets. This is called a function. Any code inside its curly brackets will be executed in the end of the every line. Make sure to write a semicolon. Return 0. Return 0 in the main function. Don't forget to add the closing curly brackets to actually end the main function. Now let's talk about variables. Variables are contained for storing data values. There are different types of variables in C++, such as int, float, double. Int stores integer, that means whole numbers without decimals, such as 10, 20, 30, like that. Float and double stores floating point numbers with decimals, such as 4.3, 10.2, like that. In here, I use float as variable because I have to use floating point numbers with decimals. Float, travel distance, comma, time taken, comma, speed, and semicolon. Travel distance stores the distance, time taken stores the time, speed stores the calculated speed. Do you know what is cout and cin? First, cout objects together with left shift operator is used to output values and print text. Just remember to surround the text with double quotes. We use cin to get user inputs. Cin is a predefined variable that reads data from keyboard. We always use right shift operator with cin. Here, cout, left shift operator in the double quotes, speed calculator, space and left shift operator, ended semicolon. Cout, left shift operator in the double quotes, equal mark, and endel function with semicolon. Again, cout, left shift operator in the double quotes, enter the distance. In the brackets, kilometers, space and colon, left shift operator with endel function and semicolon. Next line, cin, right shift operator, travel distance and semicolon. Next slide, cout, left shift operator in the double quotes, enter the time in the brackets, hours, space and colon, left shift operator with endel function and semicolon. In the next line, cin, space, right shift operator and time taken, semicolon. The speed calculator, enter the distance, enter the time, are in the double quotes with cout function. So they will print as output. Travel distance and time taken variables are in the cin function. So you should have to insert the value for them. I forgot to tell you this earlier. You can add as many as cout you want, but it doesn't insert a new line. To insert a new line in your output, you can use \n or endel manipulator. Here I use endel manipulator. Do you know about C++ operators? They are used to perform operation on variables and values. Arithmetic operators used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, etc. The formula for speed is speed equals travel distance divided by time taken, semicolon. Next, cout and endel function. Again, cout, left shift operator in the double quotes, travel details, space, colon, left shift operator, left shift operator and endel, semicolon. Again, cout, left shift operator in the quote, double quotes, distance, space and colon, left shift operator and travel details, and left shift operator in the double quotes, kilometer, and left shift operator with endel function. In the next line, cout, left shift operator in the double quotes, time, space and colon, left shift operator, time taken, and in the double quotes, hours and endel function with semicolon. In the next line, cout, left shift operator, in the double quotes, speed, space and colon, uh, and left shift operator with speed, and again in the double quotes, kilometers per hour. Travel details is with the cout function, it will print as output. Because of the endl function, next pass go to the next line, distance will print as output. Then the value for travel distance which user entered will appear as output, and after that kilometers will print. Same process happen time and speed line. Now our C++ program is completed. In the left side bottom you can see no issues found with green color mark. If there are any issues, it will show as a red color mark. Because there are no any issues, click on the local Windows debugger to see the output in compiler. In the compiler, you can see the output. Speed calculator, enter the distance at 150.5 kilometers and the time is 2.5 hours, and the travel details you can see now. Distance is 150.5 kilometers, time is 2.5 hours, and speed is 60.2 kilometers per hour. Before I show you the question and answer, the answers are same. So our code is working perfectly. This program is great starting point for learning about variables, user input, output, and basic arithmetic operations in C++. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more programming tutorials. If you have any doubts, leave them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thank you.